Nifty first, but 49 points up for the Nifty, and then straight away I'm just going to go to all the banks one by one because that's where you will see a lot of magic. ICICI Bank up 5%. ICICI Bank has a 15% weightage on the Nifty, 5% weightage on the Nifty. It will automatically make the markets look good. All PSU banks would be going higher by about 1% to 1.5%. Union Bank, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank, Punjab National Bank, just about everything in the banking space is on, I wouldn't say the word tear, but is off to a great start. You know, that's the heart of the market. Massive outperformances there in the financial space. You want large groups to participate. But the bad news here is that despite that massive outperformance financials are reporting, it is not like a great gung-ho start for benchmark indices. Nifty up just 32 points on the day when Bank Nifty and PSU banks are chipping in very, very smartly.
Okay, so that's the word then coming in on the opening rates. 93.45 on the index, and today of course it's all about ICICI Bank after its numbers as well and the indication of the NBA policy now. You've also got Axis Bank, considering it's a large corporate lender, that as well should be in focus. Axis 2 starts off very positively, 1.25% higher. Then of course comes the list of some of the PSU banks which are actually burdened with huge bad loans. So SBI, PNB, BOB, Bank of India, Union Bank, this entire list as well has started off very, very positively currently in trade. A lot of other stocks in IT sector that continues to show some strength after a long time, and yesterday was one such case in point wherein the NSE IT index closed marginally above its 5-day averages, and you did see some traction in TCS, Infy and the likes, and today too just marginal strength is what you're seeing on some of these names. Also, you've got Wockhardt, which is looking to consider raising funds via NCDs as well as shares, so look out for that as well. Amtech Group units were also in focus. DA Capital and SSG Capital have been bidding for stakes in some of the Amtech Group companies, so look out for that. You've also got couple of other names. TBZ, that came out with its numbers, and Kaya, wherein the numbers have been quite disastrous, so look out for that instead. TBZ starts off well in the green. Kaya is actually plunged in the red as we speak. Some other names, and let's just check in on what some of the metal pack numbers are looking like, considering the national steel policy has finally taken shape. While it may be higher in expectations, but nonetheless this has been a long hold and finally it sees the light of the day, and most of these steel stocks are actually holding out, at least sentimentally, in the green. So that's the sum and substance of how trade is kick-started. Nothing which is a standout besides of course the banking pack, which is why you're seeing the Nifty now within the first few minutes itself taken to that 93.50 mark.